Good morning, everybody. Got a little science video here today, all about the International Space Station. So hopefully you already had a chance on Monday to go through the space race, how America was competing with Russia, or formerly Soviet Union, to be the first ones in space and have all these landmarks. There were some ways that they beat us, and then was the first to get to space, including the first people to walk on the moon. So we'll be hearing today about the International Space Station. We've got a little excerpt to read about it. This is pretty quick, and then an extra video for you to watch as soon as you're done. There's also a little bit of note-taking, so we'll get to that in a bit. Now, the International Space Station, also called ISS, is a space station or a habitable artificial satellite in low Earth orbit. Now, satellite is anything that goes around something else, and so the moon satellites us, Earth, but this is like a robotic satellite that orbits in low Earth orbit. Its first component launched into orbit in 1998, so about 22 years ago, or almost 23. Now, the last pressurized module was fitted in 2011, and the station is expected to be used until the year 2028. So for 7 more years it should be in use. Development and assembly of the station continues, with components scheduled for launch in 2008 and 2019. So this one is, or this information is a little bit dated. Let me pull up a picture of this as we continue. Here's the International Space Station, and there are pretty regular updates, including this one from just an hour ago. It says spacewalkers wrap up battery work and camera installations. Okay, so it is regularly updated. Here's one from the week of January 25th, very recently. So that's a more updated look at it. Now, the ISS, or International Space Station, is the largest human-made body in low Earth orbit and can often be seen actually with the naked eye from Earth, which means that without a telescope even, we at times can see this International Space Station. That's how low it is. Now, the ISS consists of pressurized modules, external trusses, solar arrays, and other components. Its components have been launched by Russian Proton and Soyuz rockets and American space shuttles. Now, the ISS serves as a microgravity and space environment research laboratory in which crew members conduct experiments in biology, human biology, physics, astronomy, meteorology, and other fields. The station is suited for the testing of spacecraft systems and equipment required for missions to the moon and Mars. The ISS maintains an orbit between 330 and 435 kilometers, which is about 205 to 270 miles, by means of reboost maneuvers using the engines of the Zvezda module or visiting spacecraft. It completes about 15.5 orbits per day around us. So 15.5 times it goes around the Earth. Now, building the ISS began in 1998 when Russian and American space modules were connected with each other. So we use it and Russia uses it. Those are the main countries still that are, once again, competing with one another from that space race, but we're working together with this International Space Station as it orbits us and has all of this, these experiments done in labs up there as well. So here is that International Space Station. I'll put this link in as well. So there's what it looks like. With some specific parts of it. Oh, that's just in general for NASA. Just a minute. Okay, and that is all for today. So I've got a little extra video for you to watch, and we'll be, and I'll link this website as well. Talk to you later. Bye.